Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic design using animations and some shapes. So let's begin, but first of all, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description, and I have also given the links to all the contents that are used including the map. So first of all, you're gonna go to Insert tab and insert a rectangle that covers this template right here. And you're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 4 times. Be sure to adjust their sizes that they are absolutely aligned. Select all of the shapes. You're going to group them by pressing Ctrl plus D, Ctrl plus G, and ungroup them by pressing Ctrl Shift plus G. You're gonna go to format shape and give it this shadow of the white side, and you're going to increase its size and make it blur. Close the format shape panel, and what you're gonna do is select each of the shape and use eyedropper to give the color to each of the shape. I have also provided a link for this template, and you can also get this color palette from that link, and it is absolutely given in the template link. So you're going to put each of them into the front by starting from the right side and ending to the left. You're going to insert the map link that I have given in the description by downloading it and then inserting it as a picture. The next thing you're going to do is put it in the center and the middle of the template. And you're going to change its color. I'm going to use this color, but I'm going to go to more fill colors and make it lighter. And I'm going to make it something like this. And we're going to go to shape fill and give it some transparency, somewhat like this. This much would be alright. We're going to go to picture format and we're going to crop it till here, till the first rectangle, and we're going to duplicate it and place it on top of the first map. We're going to go to picture format and crop, but we're going to crop it that it covers the second rectangle but does not covers the first rectangle. Similarly, we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, the Ctrl plus D, and we're going to crop it till the third of the rectangle, but it is not going to cover the second rectangle. And we're going to duplicate it again and put it onto the third map, and we're going to crop it till it covers the fourth rectangle but does not cover the third rectangle. Similarly, we're going to repeat the process and we're going to crop it till the fourth rectangle till the map is overall complete. This is how it looks. Next, what you're going to do is go to Insert tab and Shapes, and we're going to insert a rectangle. And the next thing we're going to do is place it right here and adjust it into the center of the each of the rectangle by remove a cell outline, and we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, and we're going to place it in each of the 5 rectangles and change each of its color. I'm going to use this color palette that I have also provided along with the link. It is in the PowerPoint link that I have provided. So we're going for the first one. I'm going to use yellow, pink, blue, green, and gray. We're going to go to icons in the insert tab, and we're going to insert 5 icons. Some better icons to use, but be sure to use good and nice looking icons. And so I have selected 5 and let's insert them. Increase their size as much as the width of each of the rectangle and change this color to white. Let's increase its size as well. And what we're going to do is place each of the icon on top of each of the rectangle. Something like this by increasing their sizes. And here you go. For the third one, we're going to put it right here. And what you're going to do is repeat the process. And here goes the last icon. After inserting all the headers and the text, and also inserting the animations, this is the final result. I have provided a link to this template of infographic for free in the link in the description below. You can download the template for free from the link in the description, and I have given the animations to them so you can check out the link and download it for free.